Craig, this is a beautiful car. What is it?
It's a 1965 Rambler Marlin. They made like 10,200 something in that year.
Yeah?
They changed names to AMC Rambler or AMC Marlin in 66. And then in 67, they totally changed the body style. And they only sold 2,000 and it died. So.
How long have you owned this?
We bought this since in 2018.
Okay.
And then shortly after I bought it, I was diagnosed with cancer. So while I was fighting cancer, one of my dreams was to drive Route 66. And I wanted to have the car resto-modded so we could do that. My wife and son did that for me while I was fighting cancer.
Well, I'm first off,
So
it looks like you beat it.
3 years.
Congratulations. That's what's important.
Yeah.
And this is what a great thing they did for you.
Yeah.
And so you made it on Route 66.
Not yet.
Not yet.
We
Okay.
just got the car back. It took the guy over a year and a half to do the car. And we just got it back last summer, so we got to drive it some last summer. And he has some tweaking to do over the winter.
Okay.
And now we got it back this summer to make sure the tweaking's done right.
Yes.
And then we're planning that like either in the fall or next spring. So
Well, that's fantastic.
you don't want to do it during the summer.
No. Yeah, that's just too much.
So
but boy, what a car to do it in.
I know. It's a beautiful car. And even though the trunk is small on the back, it's huge. It takes it up all the way to the seat and stuff. And I mean, her and I went on the US 27 tour last year for a whole week. We had our whole week's worth of luggage in here and stuff, and we had a good time. But it's a fun car.
Oh, it's beautiful. Thanks for
you.
talking with us.
Yep. Thank you, Mike.
Yep.
Have a good night, you guys.
You too.